Good day everyone, especially to Mr. Custodio. I am Jerame Landiza and my task today is to report the external. So first, let me share to you what is external. So external, sometimes known as superficial. External denotes towards the surface. So the external is mauni atong makita sa mata. Then the gross macroscopic anatomy is the study of anatomical structures that can be seen by the naked eye, such as the external and internal bodily organs. So the human anatomy is the study of the structures of the human body, and understanding of anatomy is key to the practice of medicine and other areas of health. So the word anatomy comes from the Greek word ana, meaning up, and tomi, meaning a cutting. Traditionally, studies of anatomy have involved cutting up or dissecting organisms. So the picture I show you is an example of external ang atong makita sa gawas. So in medicine, ang gross, macro, ug topographical anatomy refers to the study of the biological structures that the eye can see. In other words, a person does not need a microscope to see these features. The study of gross anatomy may involve dissection or non-invasive methods. The aim is to collect data about the larger structures of organs and organ system. So the anatomy describes the structures and location of the different components of an organism to provide a framework for understanding. So human anatomy studies the way that every part of a human, from molecules to bones, interacts to form a functional whole, and our bodies consist of a number of biological systems that carry out specific functions necessary for everyday living. And of course, our body have a huge number of organs. The internal organs perform the work, while the external organs link the outside to the inside. For instance, ang digestive organ system digests the nutrition, but it is the mouth which absorbs in food and the anus that removes waste from the body. So remember, the human body is organized in several levels from the simplest to the most complex. Cells, which is the basic unit of life. Tissue, which is the cluster of cells performing a similar function. Then organs, which is made of tissues that perform one specific function. And the last one is the organ system, which is the groups of organs that perform a specific purpose in the human body. And lastly, the human body is everything that makes up. What decides and regulates the physical form and function of the human body is our genetic information. However, external environments and behaviors can alter the way our bodies look and how well they function. According to human growth and developments, the human body is made up of all the living and non-living components that create the entire structure of the human organism, including every living cell, tissue, and organ. So learning anatomy is similar to building a house. If the foundation is strong, then it will last for a lifetime. This subject is definitely difficult and filled to the brim with details, but the basics keep cropping up time and time again. And you will constantly use them as reference when learning new anatomical concepts, thus mastering the fundamental is essential. So that's the end of my report. Thank you.